Affect versus effect. English vocabulary. The English words affect and effect are easy to confuse. Their spelling is similar, and their meanings both relate to change. As a teacher, it's easy for me to see why these words often get used incorrectly. They are different kinds of words. One is a verb, and the other is a noun. They are used with different kinds of grammar. That doesn't affect me. That has no effect on me. Affect is a verb that means to produce a change in somebody or something. My relationship with her did not affect my decision. This means my decision was not changed because of my relationship with her. Effect is a noun that means a change that somebody or something causes in somebody or something else, a result. You can't have a cause without an effect. This means an action causes a reaction, a result. More examples with the verb affect. How will the new rules affect you? Countries like Australia will be the worst affected by global warming. More examples with the noun effect. The president's new policy will have long-term effects. My friend really believes in the positive effects of a low-carb diet. Effect is a countable noun, so we can use it in the plural form effects. A guide for using affect and effect correctly. We write a basic English sentence in this order: subject, verb, object. Global warming affects the whole world. In this sentence, global warming is the subject, affects is the verb, and the whole world is the object. The verb affect is the correct choice here because a verb fits the grammar of this sentence. Global warming affects the whole world. Effect is a noun, so this is incorrect. It doesn't fit the grammar of this sentence. We will all feel the effects of global warming. In this sentence, we is the subject, will feel is the verb, and the effects of global warming is the object. The plural form effects is part of the noun phrase that is our object. The noun effect is the correct choice here because it fits the grammar of our sentence. We will all feel the effects of global warming. Affect is a verb, so this is incorrect. It also doesn't fit the grammar of our sentence. More tips for using affect and effect. Remember that the noun effect will often follow an article, an effect, the effect, or an adjective, negative effect, positive effect. Rising oil prices will have an effect on nearly everyone. Getting enough sleep has a positive effect on your health. Affect is a verb, so it can be used in the past, future, or continuous tense. Affected, will affect, or be affecting. Effect is most commonly used as a noun. Nouns do not use these forms. This new software is affecting the performance of my laptop. A few people lost their jobs in the bad economy, but luckily, my company was not affected. Visit my affect versus effect blog post for more. The link to this blog post is in the description of this video. You can find lots of great English help at my free blog, worldenglishblog.com. Join my English newsletter to get new posts, videos, English PDFs, and more right in your inbox. Thanks for watching and have a great day.